Hola, buenos dias.
Hello and good morning from Ribadeo.
Today we are walking to Lourenza. However, it is our last planned day to do a little skip ahead with some transportation.
I love all of you who walk 30 kilometers in a day, and you're probably not watching this video, but I love that you do it. I just don't want to and still be in a good mood.
So we have a taxi on its way. But Ribadeo is fantastico.
We came here during a festival, which makes it all the better. Sorry, I was looking for the taxi. We came here during a festival time, which have we really run into any festivals?
We haven't been in any festivals yet.
So it was great.
We've missed them all by a day or two in one direction or the other.
Unfortunately, it was the first night, so things were just getting started. But we did have we had good music, good drinks last night. I think that was great. But I'm really excited about where we stayed in this hotel, because the hotel had this beautiful water view. It had this elevator to get you up to the town. And even if you didn't use the elevator, it's a gradual walk up. And most importantly, it had a pool. It said a spa, which I think is it's like your best Western indoor pool. I mean, really, which is fine. I'm not picky. It was perfect. It had a hot tub that was more of a cool tub that our legs appreciated. We got massages from a wonderful person.
So while we hop on this taxi and get up the mountain, why don't you take a look at our last day or so in Ribadeo.
Sal de tu nido, paloma linda, anda y prueba tu volar. No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela, paloma, bien alto, mi vida. No dudes que siempre amanece, que amanecerá. Paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda. De tu nido, paloma linda, anda y prueba tu volar. No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela, paloma, bien alto, mi vida. No dudes que siempre amanece, ya amanecerá. Paloma, paloma linda. Vuela, paloma, libre.
We just finished dinner and decided to walk back to our hotel.
9:30 at night.
And look at what we found.
Next to our hotel.
So Ribadeo looked fun, didn't it?
We're walking in Galicia. We're walking in Galicia.
So that taxi was worth every penny of the 30 euro that we paid for it, because it got us to the top of Villa Martin Grande.
Hence the reason right now I'm in a really good mood. But let me say, we took a taxi because there was no bus for us to take.
There were bus routes. The timetables, once again, were they were either really early in the morning or they were really late in the afternoon, we have 10K to walk. And if we had taken the early buses, we would have gotten to our destination way too early or way too late.
What's really nice about what we've planned over the 3 days, and this was completely unintentional, but it worked out, is one, we knew we were taking a taxi ride today, so that got us up the first couple of hills. Tomorrow and the next day, we have two like 15K, like 9-10 mile days. And what's really nice about that is that they are very hilly days. So we're gonna be able to maybe enjoy the views and enjoy the walks a little bit more because we're not walking so many kilometers.
Follow us for more dumb luck. Vamos.
Let's go downhill.
We started climbing.
We're talking to you because we have to catch our breath, and you're a really good excuse. So thank you for watching and being a part of this adventure.
We ran into a problem. Not so much for us, but for other pilgrims today. Leaving Ribadeo, when you get to Vilanova Grande, there's a bar. It's closed on Saturdays and Sundays. Today's Saturday.
Yeah, and then...
No problema. 2 kilometers later, at the bottom of the hill, San Justo, which is the village you can kind of see right there behind us,
look at
bottom.
The views.
They have a bar.
Yeah.
Closed on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of this weekend for personal reasons. We're guessing maybe the festival in town, but it's hard to tell.
Who knows? But this is for anybody who's walking the Norte, this is a hilly day. We've been walking hills for a while, but this is a tough day. And if you're walking a full stage, you know, you're looking at a lot of kilometers. So with no food.
For many people, San Justo would have been their lunch stop plan.
Yeah, and so we always carry food with us and water, but a nice cold drink would have been perfect.
And a bathroom would have been nice.
A
So
bathroom would have been really nice.
for us, it wasn't, like I said, an emergency. We didn't need lunch yet. We didn't need a food stop, although we could have used the bathroom break. But again, if you were walking today, this would make for a very long day, especially if you didn't have enough water or food with you.
This is one of the few times on this Camino. I feel like we haven't had a lot of that where we just feel like we had no services. And most of the time it's been in the book or the app that says, hey, there's no services along the way. But you should always check to see, like, is a place open or is it not normally open? Though Google Maps would have never told you that that place was closed for personal reasons. So always carry food. Do you have food?
I do.
I have
snacks.
food. We have food, we have water.
And we have electrolyte packets to make our own electrolyte drinks if we needed them.
If we needed them. So always be prepared.
All right, that hill's calling.
It is.
Vamos.
Let's go.
Forget the rush, you're in and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Keep back, relax, and just follow along. Oh, we got plenty of time. Taking it easy won't cost you a dime. Throw another log onto the fire. Because it's a beautiful day.
We are making pasta carbonara for dinner tonight in the albergue. So we're starting with some bacon, add some garlic, eggs and cheese, pasta. That's it.
Wine. That's our day today.
That's it. And the pasta carbonara is almost ready. Yum.
This is Albrier cooking for you. It's not fancy.
It's not gourmet.
It's not pretty, but it's less expensive and it's made with love.
Hey, send us a message and I'll send you the recipe.
Well, let me taste it first.
It's going to be delicious.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you.
Bye.
Chiquitan, chiquititan, tan, tan, que tumban, tan, que tumban, que tepe, tepe, tan, 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 que tumban, que bim. Saoko, papi, saoko. chiquita, chiquita, ba ba ba, que tum ba ba, que tum ba, que te pe ta ba ba, que tum ba, que me. Sahoso papi, 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 papi. Lo.